Okay, I have to hurry. I auditioned for The Voice in 2 hours. Where's my X-Acto blade?
This video was formed from a live ostrich.
Actually, I have a box cutter. I should have a box cutter. There it is. The benefits of working at Hobby Lobby. Yippee! This is the most I've spent on makeup ever. I'm gonna open one of these in a separate video, I think, because one of these is a makeup mystery box and I wanted to stretch that out into 2 videos. I'm hoping that's this one. And this is like $700 worth of ColourPop. They should sponsor me at this point. Sponsor me for what? I have most of what I want. Did it open? There we go. Now will it open? Ooh. Here we go. Yeah. Okay, Tiffany put this at the beginning of the video. When I was going through everything that I got, I didn't say the shades of some things. So I'm gonna record that now, but I'm going to put each thing where I was talking about it. Luckily, I chose the right box. This is not the mystery box. And there's a lot in here. Can I show you guys without dropping everything? Look at all of this shit. I will say I did get a lot of the same stuff. It's disappointing that the packaging is all the same color because my mom wants to see what I got after I record this and she's gonna be like, why did you get 20 million of these in the same color? It's not, they're all different shades. I'm sure this is not all of them, but I have a black one. I got this black one already. Literally the first time I tried it on, I fell in love with it. So I'm like, yeah, I definitely have to get more of these. They are the Lippy Sticks. Is it focused now? I think it's a little bit more focused. Lippy Sticks. I got a bunch of them. Lippy Sticks. I got a lot of Lippy Sticks. Let's see what shades. Calm. No. Cami. That's what I get for reading upside down. Jam Sesh. Westy. Skywalking. My Bad. Trust Me. This Lippy kit I probably mentioned later in the video. I don't remember where it went. But I got the Lippy Pencil in the shade Sold My Soul and Lethal in the Lippy Sticks.
I dropped one.
Runaway. Or is it Runway? No, it's Runaway. I was correct. I Heart This, Byron Babe, Aftershock, Are You Surreal, Little Tings, Infinite Best, Songbird, and Cherry Bomb. I got some different face gems if it would focus. I think a common phrase for this video is if I didn't have enough of these already, or as if I didn't have enough of these already. There we go. Oh, it's upside down. These ones are from their collab with The Nightmare Before Christmas, I think. Maybe it wasn't upside down. So there's that one. What's this one? Oh, was this from, no, that was Elf. What's this? Marielle? I don't even know what that is. I was thinking it was the Game Over collection or something, but that's Elf, so I don't know. Those ones have little stars, which is what got me to want to buy those. I got these same ones, but in the cooler shades, so like in the blues and the purples. And these ones are just the crystal ones. I think those are all the face gems that I got. Let me pull out all my Lippy Sticks. Oh, it's this. Oh, it's this. As if I don't know what I got. This is a Light Sticks. So it's like highlighter. I think I got a couple of these. I'm not sure. I did get 2 of the Light Sticks. I got them in shades Skywatcher and Light Chaser. I'm trying to organize these based on what I got. I don't know what this is. So here's another thing that I got a lot of. I remember I was talking about eyeliner on my Instagram story, I think, and Katie recommended these to me. And she said something along the lines of like, I'm not enabling this behavior, but I really like the ColourPop BFF liquid liner. That's what these are, right? Yeah, BFF liquid liner. And I already had them in my wish list when she told me about that, so I thought that was kind of funny. BFF liquid liner. I got shades Ducky, Numero Uno, Try Me, The Hills, Crazy but without the vowels, so it's Curzy, Black, and Graceland. So this is from, not their newest collection, but the collection before that, which was their collab with Winx Club. And like I said, I have to show my mom everything that I got because she's a little upset that I spent all this money on makeup. She's gonna look at this and she's gonna be like, why did you get Winx Club makeup? And it's not about the packaging, it's about what's inside. So I'm pretty sure this is lip gloss. I don't want to open anything until I actually use it because that's just how I feel about makeup. I don't want to open them until I use them, but it says glossy lip. Look at that focus. Why can't it focus like that all the time? Hello? There we go. I got another lip gloss. This is from their collab with Snitchery, I think it said. Snitchery X ColourPop Luxe Lip Gloss. I was about to put this in my pile being like, oh, this is another BFF liner. It's not. It is BFF Mascara. Ooh. This packaging is adorable, by the way. Look at how cute this is. Focus again, please. Thank you. Look at how cute that is. I'm in love. Here's another thing I got a lot of was the color sticks. Is it gonna focus? There we go. I think you can see it now. I'm hoping that these are similar to these that I already have. This is the Wet n Wild Color Icon Multi-Stick, and this is the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. I'm hoping these are similar to the color sticks because that's kind of what I got them for. They're kind of like eyeliner, but also they can be used as eyeshadow, but I use them as like the under the eye smudgy eyeliner most of the time. Last but certainly not last in the order of where I'm putting this is the color sticks. I got Him, Princess Morbuck, and Mojo Jojo from the Powerpuff Girls collection, and I think the rest are just regular. Sunday Morning, Isla Vista, Hummingbird, We're Off, Charmed Life, Style and Ease, Cool Breeze, Bars, and Bittersweet. Here's another mascara. So to go along with the lippy sticks, I got the lippy pencils. Why isn't it showing the packaging? Lippy pencil. Oh, you can kind of see it if I tilt it up. There we go. I got a bunch of those too. So lippy pencils I got in the shades Bad Habit, Bossy, I Heart This, Dopey, Overtime, Full Speed, Bichette, and Starship. I'm literally not even gonna be able to fit all of this in my drawer. Now that I'm like halfway through recording this, I probably should have told you what shades I got and everything, but it's a little too late for that. Maybe I'll go back. At this point when I was filling my cart, I'm like, I kind of want to do a full face of ColourPop. I don't think I got blush, but I think everything else I got or is coming in the mail. So this is brow gel. I don't think it focused enough to show you. Brow gel. Oh, this is a brow pencil. I haven't showed you that yet. This is Graphics ink liner. I don't think I've shown you that yet. The Graphics ink liner, I got them in shades I'm Obsessed, Hype It Up, Mint Frap. Is it Frap? Is it Frappe? For the sake of pronunciation, I will say Frap. Drama Free, Santorini? Girl, what? I don't know what that means. Love Fool, and is this Utopia, I think? Hello, do you want to be in the video? Get back! No, if you're gonna be in my room, you're gonna be in my YouTube video. Ugh. Everyone say hello to Josh. That's my Mr. Man. This is my boy. Say hello to the camera. Okay. I love you, Mr. Man. I already showed you guys this, but this packaging is slightly different than the other one that I showed you, and it's so cute. It's rainbow BFF liquid liner. The liner itself is not rainbow, but the packaging is rainbow, and it's cute. It has little doodles on it. It's so cute. Velvet Luxe. Oh, this is lipstick. Shade did I get this in? Lil Rebel. I don't even remember this. Is this like a purple? I'm gonna have to look.
Oh my god, shut up!
So these are glitters, and I think some of them are like jelly eyeshadows. This is from their Sailor Moon collection called Glitterly Obsessed Moon Prism Powder.
No, Moon Prism Power?
How about? I don't know which one's the shade and which one's just the name of the product. Oh, I figured it out. So this is the Glitterly Obsessed in the Winx collection. Focus. In the shade Enchantix. I don't even know what these shades are, so I'll find out when I open them. I remember this one though, because this is a basket from the basketball collection, but it's pretty, it's blue and it has stars. And I'm like, okay, I know it's basketball, but I have to get it. Ooh, this is from the ColourPop for Target collection, but I ordered this from the ColourPop website. This is a duo. I think the shades are Spinner and Born Wild. It's like a silver and a gold. Okay, now onto the, what are they called? Jelly Much Jelly Much Shadow. Maybe if I learned how to talk. I have to sing later. I can't not know how to talk. This is the shade I Am Calm. This is the shade Big Ego. This one isn't from a collection. This is just Jelly Much Shadow. I don't know what this collection is, but it's like kind of giving emo. And this shade is called So What. Oh, I got another glitter in here. I did not order this, did I? I don't remember ordering this. It's like a pinky kind of glitter. I don't think I would have ordered this. What's the shade? What's the shade called? Avenue of the Stars. That does sound familiar. This one's from the It's Giving Emo collection. I just made that up. That's not the actual name of the collection. This is the shade Drama Season. Hocus Pocus collection. Come to Play. And now on to the eyeshadow palettes. These are probably what made my cart so expensive. This one doesn't have a name on it. We're gonna open her up. Oh, I think this one's called She's a Rainbow. Doesn't have the name of the palette on it anywhere. I do remember ordering this one though. It wasn't like, oh, I didn't order this. So I think Katie has one of these palettes. I didn't mention this in this video, I don't think, but Katie's my best friend. We went to high school together, so like we know each other in real life. We went to iParty together. Oh, okay. This one has the names of the shades on the back. So that's cool. I wonder if it has them in the palette too. This one is Fade into Hue. I don't know if I showed you guys this yet. How do I open this? Oh, there we go. Open. Oh, I can get rid of this because it still has the names of the shades on the actual box. Let's open this one up. Ooh, whoa. Oh, it does have the names of the shades in the palette too. So that's neat. Pretty. How many did I order? 4? Yeah, 4. So I'm almost done. This one's called Matte About Hue. Let's open her up. Oh my gosh, she is gorgeous. I might use this one tomorrow. Ooh! And the last palette I got, It's a Mood. So now that I'm done recording all of that, I do want to say, guys, do not do what I did. I was very irresponsible with the money that I had, and I slightly regret spending all that money on makeup because I don't know where I'm gonna put all that. Anyway, I would say let me know if you want me to do this again, but I am absolutely not spending $700 on makeup, so that's not happening. If you liked this video, like it, comment down below, hit subscribe, hit the bell icon, all that crazy, wacky, weird, amazing, fun stuff. Thank you so much for watching, and I never know how to end these things.